Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Isa from PrintStick. In this video I will show you how I've been using my phone daily planners on my iPhone. So I am using these planners with GoodNotes, so I'm going to open that app to show you. I am using one planner per month. So I have this one that says from February and this one for March, and I've only been using these two because I started in February. These come in a bunch of different colors, so you can choose a different one for each month, or really you can buy just one and then use it for every month of the year. That's cool. Also, there's these stickers. They come in black and white, and these are the ones that I've been using to label the covers of my planner, so that when I'm out here in the GoodNotes library, I'm able to tell which one is for which month. So I'm just gonna open the one that I'm using right now, which is March. And the way these planners work, I'm gonna go back to the first page. Okay, so the cover page, as I mentioned, these are stickers, the ones that I just showed you. You don't need to add these. Maybe you can recognize the planner for March just because of the green color. It's up to you, but this is the style that I liked. And if we open the planner, so I'm gonna tap on my pen here to activate the links, and I can tap on the bottom right corner of the cover, and that's going to open my planner. Then I get to this page, which is, if you can see, it's showing that this star tab is selected. So from anywhere in the page, when I tap on this star, this is where I'm going to go. So this is like my dashboard, my first page, and I've already entered some notes here. I'm going to delete them just so that you can see this is the way that the dashboard will come. I just added some notes. Again, I'm gonna activate my links, and just so you know, these icons here will take you to the different social media websites of PrintStick. Here you have access to the shop as well as the group in English, and this bottom part where it says en español, that's the Spanish Facebook group. So tap there and Safari is gonna open, and it'll take you to where you can join our Facebook group. Then I move on, and as you can see now, it's the heart tab that is selected, and this is just a way of navigating the different sections of the planner. This is quite a simple planner, but you do have some sections and options to customize and add important pages or notes to your planner. Next to my little heart icon here, I'm gonna zoom in to show you better, you have your clip. If you tap there, that's yet another link that will take you to another blank section. And I just wanted to show you, so the first one is your dashboard, the second one is just a blank page. In this case, I'm keeping my son's lunch roll at school, and this clip is where I have my grocery or my shopping list. I keep it by supermarkets, for example, what I need from Costco or Sam's Club, and then down here I have what I need from the supermarket and some other like smaller shops. That's how I organize my groceries. So it's super convenient. When I go to the supermarket, I'll just take out my phone and then check what I need to get. For example, this time I went to the supermarket and there's a few things that I did not find, so I just like highlighted those. So next time I go to the supermarket, then I check and I make sure that I got them. You can of course come back here and delete the items that you got already. Okay, and I actually made another copy of this page, and then I added what I needed to get from Walmart. So to make a copy of a page, I'm gonna show you real quick. You click on these 4 squares at the top left corner of the page, and then the page that is highlighted with a blue outline, I hope you can see in the camera, that's the one that's selected, and in this case that's the one that I want to copy. So to duplicate this page, I'm just gonna tap on this arrow pointing down under the page, and then where it says duplicate, I tap there, and that's gonna make an exact copy. In this case, it's also including the text that I had added, and now I have another page. So I'm gonna clear this page. To do that, you tap on these 3 dots on the top right corner of the page, and then where it says clear page, and everything's gone, so that I can enter yet more things that I need to buy or any other notes that I want. Moving forward with the links, I have a few more tabs at the bottom here. I have 6 sections, and again, I can just tap on these, and all these will be blank or customizable sections that I can use for whatever I want. Then we get to our actual days, and those are all of these tabs to the right side. If you can see, you have 31 tabs, and those represent each day of the month. And of course, if you're in February or any other month that does not have 31 days, then you would just ignore the bottom tabs. So I'm gonna tap on the first, and I'm just gonna clear this page to show you what it looks like when it's new. This is what you get. I'm just gonna go back so I can get my information back. I've actually been really good at using this planner consistently, so really I have all of the days of this month so far filled in. And today I want to show you how to create one of these pages yourself. So let's go to another day that hasn't passed, something like the 20th. Okay, so here I have a blank page, so I need to enter certain information, including the date and, well, all of the info of these boxes. So I'm gonna tap on my pen to open my toolbar. I'm going to be using my text box. You can also use your finger to write. So for example, pick like a black color, and if you zoom all the way in, you are able to write. You could do this, it's possible, and in fact, if you're gonna be using your finger, I recommend that you flip your phone and then you can zoom in even more, and you're gonna have more room to use your finger to write. So that is an option. But what I have been doing personally is I have been using text boxes. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm just gonna tap on my text tool and then tap on the box to open the text, and then I'm gonna tap, for example, grocery shopping. I'm going to center this. You can make it bigger if you want. And I'm going to enter the date, so tap again to create another text box, and the date is going to be Friday, March 20th, and this is actually the Palacio font. I'm going to link it below if you're interested in getting it. I've been using it a lot lately. Okay, so that's my date. I have my box of main focus filled in, and then I need to start filling in my schedule. So for this, I just want to show you one thing I do, and I only do this once, and then I just copy this and add it to the following day. So don't think that you need to do this every time. So I'm just gonna write anything at all. Click enter, write something else, enter, and keep going for a little bit. What you want to do is align this text box so that each line will fit in each one of the lines of the schedule. So I'm just gonna resize it to make sure that each line of letters will fit the schedule. That looks good. Let's see if I can keep writing. It'll be aligned all the way to the end. And yeah, it seems like all of this is aligned. Okay, so now that I have the size of the letters set, then what I can do is just delete everything. So tap, select all, and just write anything, like 2 symbols or anything. When I'm ready to start setting up my schedule, I just have to tap on this text box and start writing, I don't know, get up, shower, and so on, and then all of your lines will match the hours here. Okay, now I'm going to do a similar process but for the to-do section, and actually I'm going to copy this text box and paste it on top here, but this time I want to use a different font. So before trying to adjust the size so that each line of words will fit each line of the box, I will change the font. So I'm just gonna select all of this, go to my font menu here, and then choose a different font. For example, I've been using the Kai font as well. And as you can see, this whole thing changed because this font has more space above and under each line of words. I'm just going to use my lasso tool to make everything smaller and make sure it fits well. That seems to be okay. And now this is a lot smaller, but this is just an example. You can choose a font duo or pair that actually looks good. In the pages that I've used before, I'm using the Cuevas font here, and I'm using the Kai font here, and then the title and the date have different fonts as well. So you can choose, you know, a combo of fonts that looks good for your pages. So lastly, I'm gonna add some text boxes for the remainder of the space here. Okay, so now I have all of the boxes set up for a page, and what I wanted to show you is that you can use your lasso tool to select all of your text boxes here. Tap on the selection, click on this arrow to get more options for the menu, click on copy, go to the following page, tap and hold on the screen, click on paste. and this is going to bring all of the text boxes that you created previously. So all of these steps of creating text boxes and setting them up to fit your boxes in the planner, you only have to do that once, and then you can copy these and paste it for every page of the planner. That's what I've been doing, and it's so easy because now when I get to Saturday 21st, I can just edit my text here, and in this quick way I have changed the date of this page. I can also tap here and switch the main goal of the day. I'm going to center this text. And with these planners, I haven't really used that many stickers. In February, I kind of did decorate and use more stickers to make it more colorful, and it's really nice. But honestly, most of the time, I don't have all the time to do that for every single page. So what I've been doing lately in March, as you can see, it's a lot more plain. So I do use the highlighter a lot just to like bring my attention to some stuff. I have some emojis here and, you know, some other little decorations, but nothing crazy. But I like this a lot because it's an easy way to keep your planner updated. You know, you don't have to focus as much time on this as you would if you had a super decorated digital planner. Lastly, remember that you can sync this with your iPad if you have one, so you can have this planner show up on your iPad and you have them automatically sync. You just have to go to your GoodNotes settings on both devices, be logged into the same iCloud account, and then turn the option that says use iCloud to on in GoodNotes, and that will automatically back up and sync the planner. I'll leave a link below to where you can get the iPhone planners. You can either get the whole pack or buy them individually. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment below. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.